In this video, we will learn how to transfer data from Snowflake to BigQuery using BigQuery Data Transfer Service. Let's get started. Let's first create our database as project DTS sales. So, say database project DTS sales successfully created. Then we'll move to create or replace schema. I'm naming is project DTS sales dot public. Project DTS sales dot public. So I'm creating it schema public successfully created. Then we are giving a to use it. Use database project DTS sales use schema public. Then we'll move to warehouse. Create warehouse if not exist. So first statement executed. Now use warehouse as project DTS warehouse. Change this to project DTS warehouse. Now here comes a now sales table. Now we have to create the DDL for the sales table. Sales ID, sales date, employee ID, product, quality, amount. Create or replace table, project details. Yes. That sales table successfully created. Now I'm ingesting the data, insert into project DTS sales. So here is the values. We are inserting the values into the table. So the total values have been inserted. Next, verify sales data. Let's check. Let's verify the data which have been ingested into the table. So 20 records have been already given. Let's select start from project DTS sales. Here is the sales data which we have previously inserted into the table. Now create GCS external stage. Before that, preparing a stage, I'm giving the new bucket. I will give the new bucket URL here. Let's create a new bucket here with name in GCP with a new name. I'm giving here as sales underscore bucket. Sales bucket underscore sub. Continue. continue, 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 create, confirm. Now sales bucket should have been created successfully. Now we need the URL. Here is the URI. GCS slash sales bucket underscore set. So I am copying this. We need to create or replace a storage integration, new storage integration. Say sales GCS integration successfully created. Then description storage integration with the sales GCS integration. See this showing its description. Now create an GCS external stage with the new URL. Stage area sales GCS stage successfully created. Now check the stage which we have created previously. See, here is the information about the total information about the project DTS sales stage. Well, create role if not exist. Sales DTS role. So we are creating here the role also. Now project DTS warehouse. We need to grant the usage access. Next, grant usage on database using the role. That's next we have to grant schema usage also. Next, grant table level, grant stage level, then grant role to the user. Verify role grants. We should verify that it will show the total roles which we have granted here. This will help us. We are executing the copy into statement. We can see it got executed and has fixed the issue. Now we will check the list. See, we got connected we got connected to GCS also, the stage. Now let's cross check the data here. That's all. Now we will enter BigQuery. We need to create a data set here. You can also use the existing data set. I am using here alpha data set here. See, we already have a students table here. Now I am creating a new table. Here we can give the query and mention the data set name properly. I will create the table here. We have created the table. You can also go to the table here. It's an empty table. So now we will create a data transfer so that the data from Snowflake will come to GCS and then move to BigQuery into this table. Now we have to go to data transfer. Just create a transfer here. Select the create a transfer. Source is Snowflake. Display name sales underscore Snowflake underscore. Can give any name. As we already know, we can schedule it here with particular time or we can run it directly. Select the data set properly. I am selecting alpha underscore data set here. Here, give the Snowflake credentials properly. So go to Snowflake, go here. I have to select your account properly which you are using and view account details. It will give you the account identifier number here. So just copy or you can select copy here and paste it over here, account identifier. Then username. Go here, login name or username is the same. So copy, paste it over here. Then the authentication mechanism, give key pair and we will generate a key, private key. I will show you how to generate a private key in this video. Again go to warehouse. We have given a warehouse here in the initially also. So I have given the name project DTS warehouse. So select the project warehouse detail as warehouse here. Snowflake database. So here we are giving the we have given the name project DTS sales as the database name. So yes, paste it over. Now select the schema, Snowflake schema. Now we use public as schema. So give the public as schema. Use network. So uncheck that storage integration object name. See here sales GCS integration is the name to be given over there. Then cloud provider is AWS. We are giving here AWS because the we need to as we select here see the cloud platform is AWS, right? So we have to select according to the Snowflake which we have selected previously while making an 7. Enter again the password. Paste it over here again. Internet. See, check here the public key has a it has given the public key. You need to copy the public key, only the public key, not here beginning public key or the end public key, only the public key and paste it over in a notepad. It will be useful for us in future. See, a new one. Next, so please remember the public key must be pasted in Snowflake alter user username set RSA public key, and see it should be like this without space. You should run this. See, when it comes to private key, use this private key in data transfer. Here the data transfer, and save this. See, after scheduling it, click on run transfer. Okay, and after transfer run scheduled, and you can see if you get any error, it will be showing here. If it runs successfully, it will see the transfer run has been completed successfully. Then move to, once it is done, move to BigQuery and check the data set over there. And this is the table which we have created previously. Select the table, click on query. It shows the query automatically. Select star from project name, dataset sales. See, select star from running. See, the data has arrived to BigQuery through data transfer from Snowflake to BigQuery. Thank you. Thank you for watching. In the below description, I will be adding step-by-step procedure of how to get the public key and the product key.